The Armored Amphibious Combat Earth Mover, also known as the FNSS Kunduz, is a Turkish-engineered tracked combat engineering vehicle designed to support river crossing operations and battlefield mobility. Developed by FNSS Defense Systems, the AAC combines amphibious capability, armored protection, and advanced earth-moving functions to meet the demands of modern military engineering units. The AAC can traverse water bodies with currents up to 1.5 meters per second, utilizing dual rear-mounted water jets for 360 degrees maneuverability. It achieves speeds of 45 kilometers per hour on land and 8.6 kilometers per hour in water. Equipped for bulldozing, rough grading, excavating, hauling, and scraping, the AAC features a fixed dozer blade and a unique ballast system that allows it to adjust weight by collecting and discharging soil as needed. Constructed with ballistic aluminum, the AAC offers protection against mines and ballistic threats. It accommodates a crew of 2 and is equipped with day or night cameras, a multifunction LCD monitor, and an air conditioning system for operational comfort. The Street Group MYL 4x4 is a versatile all-terrain vehicle engineered for demanding off-road operations in both civilian and military contexts. Designed with durability and simplicity in mind, the MYL 4x4 offers a practical solution for navigating challenging terrains without the need for complex maintenance. Its robust 4x4 drivetrain ensures superior traction on rough terrain, while its compact design allows it to navigate tight spaces with ease. Powered by a reliable engine, the MYL delivers impressive torque and speed, enabling it to handle diverse landscapes from sandy deserts to rocky trails. The vehicle's reinforced chassis and suspension system enhance stability and comfort, even under heavy loads. Additionally, it offers configurable seating and cargo options, supporting tactical missions and transport needs alike. With features such as roll cage protection and optional armor kits, the Street MYL 4x4 ATV stands out as a dependable choice for organizations requiring mobility, resilience, and adaptability in challenging operational scenarios. The Ultra-Heavy Lift Amphibious Connector is an experimental amphibious transport vehicle developed by DARPA in cooperation with the U.S. Marine Corps and the Office of Naval Research to revolutionize ship-to-shore logistics. Designed to carry heavy payloads, including tanks, troops, and supplies, from naval ships directly onto unprepared shorelines. The UHAC features massive air-impelled rubber tracks called captured air foam cells that allow it to traverse marshes, mudflats, sand, and shallow waters with ease. Its innovative track system minimizes ground pressure, enabling it to scale obstacles up to 10 feet high and carry up to 3 times the payload of a landing craft air cushion. The current prototype measures about 42 feet long, 26 feet wide, and 17 feet tall, with future full-scale designs projected to reach 84 feet in length and haul up to 190 tons. With a top speed of 20 knots at sea and 5 miles per hour on land, the UHAC promises unprecedented versatility for amphibious operations. The Voyager D-12 tracked personnel carrier is a state-of-the-art armored vehicle engineered for rapid deployment and troop transport in hostile environments. Featuring a rugged, all-terrain tracked chassis that offers incredible mobility, capable of traversing rivers and harsh terrain, with a silent mode capability and extreme weather operation. With a high power-to-weight ratio and low ground pressure, it ensures reliable performance. Easy to operate and maintain, it reduces downtime and boosts productivity. Its composite armor offers superior ballistic protection against small arms fire, IEDs, and shrapnel, while its V-shaped hull enhances blast deflection from mines. Powered by a turbocharged diesel engine delivering 800 horsepower, The D12 reaches speeds up to 70 kilometers per hour with a range of 600 kilometers. The interior is configured to comfortably transport 12 fully equipped soldiers, featuring blast-resistant seating and advanced climate control. Cutting-edge communication systems ensure seamless coordination on the battlefield, with a remotely operated weapon station atop the vehicle, providing 360-degree defensive capabilities. With modular design elements, the Voyager D12 can be adapted for medical evacuation, command and control, or reconnaissance missions, making it an indispensable asset in modern warfare. The CNIM Route Clearance Unmanned System is an advanced unmanned ground vehicle developed by CNIM Systems Industriels, based on the Milram Robotics Themis platform. Designed to enhance the safety and efficiency of military route clearance operations, ROCUS allows for the inspection, confirmation, and neutralization of threats, such as improvised explosive devices, while keeping personnel at a safe distance. It is a tracked vehicle with high mobility and low ground pressure, enabling it to operate in challenging terrains. It boasts a top speed of 20 kilometers per hour and an operational endurance of up to 10 hours, making it suitable for extended missions in remote areas. It is equipped with a 4-meter-long robotic arm capable of lifting up to 100 kilograms. It can manipulate various objects, including potential threats. The arm's versatility allows it to perform tasks such as turning over items, cutting wires, or unscrewing components. ROCUS is remotely piloted, allowing operators to control it from a safe distance, often from within a protected vehicle. This feature significantly reduces the risk to personnel during route clearance operations. The Ghost Robotics Vision 60 is a cutting-edge quadrupedal unmanned ground vehicle engineered for challenging environments. Weighing 51 kilograms, it boasts a top speed of 3 meters per second and can traverse up to 10 kilometers on a single charge, operating for approximately 3 hours continuously. Its IP67 rating ensures resilience against dust and water, allowing functionality in temperatures ranging from -45 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. Equipped with an NVIDIA Xavier CPU, the Vision 60 supports advanced autonomy and real-time decision-making. Its modular design enables quick assembly or disassembly within 15 minutes, facilitating rapid deployment. The robot's blind mode control core allows it to navigate complex terrains, even when vision sensors are compromised, mimicking mammalian locomotion. The Vision 60 can be adapted for aquatic environments by integrating the Nautical Autonomous Unmanned Tail module, enabling it to swim at speeds up to 3 knots. Its open architecture supports integration with various sensors and communication systems, making it versatile for defense, security, and industrial applications. The Rheinmetall AEV-3 Kodiak is a state-of-the-art armored engineer vehicle developed collaboratively by Rheinmetall Land Systems GmbH and RUAG Defense. Built on the Leopard 2 main battle tank chassis, it combines exceptional mobility with advanced engineering capabilities. Powered by a 1,500 GPMTU 873 K501 V12 diesel engine, the Kodiak achieves speeds up to 68 km per hour and offers a range of approximately 500 kilometers. The Kodiak features a centrally mounted 3-part excavator arm, a dozer blade with adjustable angles, and a dual 9-ton capstan winch system. These tools enable it to perform tasks such as obstacle removal, trenching, and minefield breaching. The vehicle's modular design allows for quick tool changes from within the protected cabin, enhancing crew safety. For self-defense, the Kodiak is equipped with a remotely operated weapon station capable of mounting a 12.7mm machine gun or a 40mm automatic grenade launcher, along with a 76mm smoke grenade launcher. Its advanced armor provides protection against small arms fire and landmines, ensuring crew survivability in combat zones. Currently, the Kodiak is in service with several countries, including Germany, Switzerland, Sweden, the Netherlands, and Singapore, supporting a range of military engineering operations. The Rheinmetall Kyler. Next Generation is a state-of-the-art armored breaching vehicle unveiled at Eurosatory 2024, built on the Leopard 2-based Kodiak armored engineer vehicle chassis. It combines robust protection with advanced mine-clearing capabilities. Weighing 63 tons, the Kyler NG achieves a top speed of 65 kilometers per hour and can overcome obstacles such as 90 centimeters vertical barriers and trenches over 2.5 meters wide. Its mobility is complemented by a Pearson mine plow over 4 meters wide, capable of clearing up to 250 meters per minute on unstable ground. For solid terrain, it employs the Plow-Fader rocket-assisted mine-clearing line charge system, creating breaches 160 meters long and 9 meters wide in minutes. Fired in overlapping bursts, the dual Plow-Fader systems can clear minefields up to 250 meters deep. The vehicle features a magnetic signature duplicator to preemptively detonate mines, an integrated lane marking system for guiding following forces, and a quick exchange interface, allowing the mine plow to be replaced with a dozer blade for obstacle removal and terrain shaping. For self-protection, the Kyler NG is equipped with the ROSI Rapid Obscurance system and a remotely operated NATO 12.7mm weapon station. Designed for a two-person crew, it also incorporates provisions for remote-controlled operations and integration into digitalized battlefields.